Hello everybody, my name is Sweat. But today I'm going to be talking about guitars. Look, at my house there once was a guitar. In the past, I once played a guitar. I once hold it. The guitar is big. It of course is bigger than my body. Imagine the guitar could be like this. Yes, and on it you can find out a bowling part. Okay, I've come back with a guitar. Now, I remember it when I tried to learn the guitar in the past. Let me have something to sit on so that I can be a little bit tall to show you guys the guitar. By the way, we're going to be talking about how to make the guitar first. Then we're going to be looking through the guitar. First, selecting the wood. Different kinds of guitars need different kinds of wood. But always remember that your guitar must have a great wood, like mine. I buy it for nearly 1 million or more. I don't really remember, but it sounds amazing, right? I don't know if I have tuned it or not. I hope yes. Well, after selecting the wood, we're going through the part of trimming and fitting. Then we make the sound hole, the roseted and black inlay strip. Then goes the bracing part. Then make the mold and bending the sides, curving those strips, top pieces inlay, and fitting the neck. And the last is assembling and binding the body. Well, look. Let me take the guitar out. The guitar body looks a little bit like the guitar looks like it. It's too big. Look on the top. There. It's the tuning parts. This part is not really good for kids, so don't get kids over these guitars part. Next is the neck of the guitar. Neck a bit. You could make notes from it, or you could make a chord from it. I don't really remember how to make a chord. It's been a long time since I didn't play. This was the correct way, right? Yeah, I think so. The guitar body looks like this. It looks like this. Look. And we put the guitar like this direction. The video camera is like different from my side, so you guys could see. It's so big for me to hold up right now. Let me stand up. There we go. The guitar part looks like this. And when you put it over to play, you put this part there. This part over there on your legs. On your legs. Like, I don't know if you guys could see it, but you put it down. Yeah, it is made so that it could fit. Don't make it different, right? Don't change the directions. Always remember this part of the body. The big belly part should be on your right, and the neck part or the tuning part must be on your left. I'm just looking at some of the information that I've learned from a teacher. You put your hands on this part, like this, your hands down, and you could play the piano. You could play the guitar, I'm sorry for that. A sheet of music written for a guitar is written like this. It's not like a piano. Like, let me show a piano. It doesn't have parts like this. Like, it doesn't have these notes. Yes. Well, people would do it like that. So let me find. If we find out the 0 on the third part, 1, 2, 3, then we'll play 0. Twinkle. Yes, that's pretty easy. And up on there, if you find out a 1 that has, if you find out a 2, then you use your 2 fingers, put on the same chord. I remember so. Twinkle. Let me find out. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. Yes, it's just a little bit like that. I don't know what I'm doing, but I hope I'm doing great. Yeah, so that's a little bit about the guitar. Well, today we've learned about what does the guitar look like, how is it made, and a little bit about those body parts of a guitar. Well, I hope that this video could help you guys to look more at a guitar. Look, a guitar is something that sounds beautiful. It's convenient, it is quick to use. Like, you could just easily put it on, and you could easily find a pack, like a pack out, so that you could wear it on your shoulders. It's really convenient, and it's perfect for people who want to perform in places, even in a camping park. And these guitars are also having a really warm or a lot of all those kinds of sounds. But playing it is not something that you easily do. And also making it is not something that's easy. Well, I want you guys to go and find out more of these guitars. And maybe, what if you like a guitar? You could go and try to learn them. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.